Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. First of all, I'd like to just give our condolences to everyone in Belgrade, in Vracar, in Serbia for such a horrible incident, a horrible situation at the school, mass shooting at the school on yesterday morning, and of course, our we've also postponed our CEO nominations launch that was going to be next week, nomination launch party, and we will do it in June 19th. We've already got a new date for it, but we just are postponing it because of the situation, this horrible situation right now that had taken place in Belgrade. Having said that, we'll jump right over to Winston Norman, our editor in chief, for the headlines.
Thanks, Craig.
Mhm.
Panattoni has got an additional 48 million euros from Bank PKO for a new development in Lublin. Bella Bulgaria is to invest 14 million euros in 12 new stores in Bulgaria. Crystal plans to build 224 flats in Prague 6, and Work Lounge has taken over hub space at Naprekop 14 in Prague.
Okay, great. Um, well, very exciting stuff, and can't wait to hear the rest of the news. Also, with regarding the CEO Awards nomination launch and any information that you want, you can also contact Daryl Fidelik, our publisher of Serbia Monthly Magazine, who is based in Belgrade and can also answer any of your questions. And he's, of course, tagged in the text coming up, upcoming that you'll see in the section. We've also got we're also working on our Baltic, our Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards, which is coming up this month, May 25th, in Sopot, covering, of course, northern Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, the Baltics, all the Baltics, the Scandinavia, and the Nordics. So if you haven't put in a nomination and you're looking for companies in that area, you're looking for contacts in that area, from that area, either investors, developers, bankers, definitely take a look at the website, which is balticrealestateawards.eu, and definitely come and meet the movers and shakers in that region. Now we'll take a little break and we'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards, May 25th, held in the beautiful beachside city of Sopot, which is part of the Tri-City area on the Polish Baltic coast at the Radisson Blue Hotel. Countries covered in the awards include the Baltics, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Scandinavia and the Nordics, Denmark, Finland, Sweden, Norway, as well as Germany, and of course Poland. Book your tickets, sponsorships, and place your nominations now on our website, and feel free to email me for more details. So yeah, welcome back, and we hope to see you all at the Baltic Real Estate Awards, May 25th in Sopot. And of course, we guarantee great weather that weekend, so stay the weekend. Winston, great to see you.
Hi, Craig.
It's
Good to see you too.
Yeah, great to be back here in the Warsaw office and the Warsaw studio. So let us know. I heard a lot of great headlines. It'll be nice to hear what's really happening there.
Thanks, Craig. And Panattoni has been granted financing for Panattoni Park Lublin 2 with an area of around 84,000 square meters. The 48 million loan was granted by Bank PKO, and it will be the largest industrial park in eastern Poland. And according to Chief Financing and Operating Officer at Panattoni, Karina Trojanska, the Lublin district is developing rapidly to become the driving force behind the whole of eastern Poland. And Dieter Lobnig, Head of Investment and Banking at Bank PKO, our ambition is for the projects we support to determine the strength of the region and the market, not only when they open, but also in 10 or 20 years' time. Moving to Bulgaria, and Billa Bulgaria announced an investment around 40 million euros to open 12 new stores in the country. The expansion comes after the chain reported record turnover in 2022 and managed to attract new customers. In the coming months, they plan to renovate a number of sites and install a number of systems to increase the energy efficiency of the company.
Bila's always been doing very well in Bulgaria, it seems.
I think
Yeah,
these like retail park retailers, yeah, they do very well in
doing well.
most countries they
Yeah.
operate in. Yeah. Moving to Prague, and Crystal plans to build 222 flats in Prague 6, and it's a new residential project for the company, and it's to be located next to Sarka Nature Park in Prague 6, and it'll have around 224 apartments, and it's scheduled to start construction. Scheduled the first phase construction is scheduled to start next year, and the total investment will exceed 170 million euros. And according to Crestal's director Simon Johnson, we carefully discussed everything with Prague 6 and the local associations so that our project would be a real asset to the area. And finally, for today, staying in Prague, and Savills has negotiated for the Work Lounge network of service centres to take over the lease agreement from outgoing operator HubHub at now Prekop 14 in Prague. With a total area of over 3,700 square meters, it will be the largest centre in Work Lounge portfolio. And according to the Work Lounge network, over the last 12 months, interest in co-working centres as well as service offices has increased significantly. And Paul Novak, head of agency at Savills, he adds, we are currently working on several significant inquiries from abroad where foreign companies want to enter the Czech market and need somewhere to start and then grow. Savills is the property manager of the development, which is owned by CPI Property Group.
Right. Well, a big project. Yeah, I mean, a lot of square meters there. 103,000.
Yeah, a lot of square meters there in that one.
Great. Well, thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show, and we will see you tomorrow morning with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.